Hello everyone, happy to see you here. Welcome back to my channel Higher Mathematics. Today we have great, quick and relaxing algebra question. We know that x squared minus y squared equal to 16 and we need to solve this question for x and y. So if you have your solution, if you want to solve this question with me right now, you can also pause the video and then we will check our answers in the end of the video. So it will be really interesting. Okay, so first of all, on the left side we have difference of squares. This is our all-known formula and without any problems we can easily write it, we can easily expand it. We can write it as x minus y times x plus y, and equal to 16. Right now, a few words about this 16, because this is a very great constant. We can easily express this as a product of two values, because on the left side, we have a product of two parentheses, and that's why let's try to think a little bit about a possible cases. So 16 can be written as 2 times 8, maybe the easiest one. Yeah, we have 8 times 2 as well. It's also great for us. 4 times 4 is a great case. And the next thing we have 16 times 1, and the last one 1 times 16. So as a result we have 5 cases, but in the same way we can easily consider our negative values. So that's why we will have like 5 negative cases, but I'm going to show you a small trick a little bit later. So that's why let's solve for positive and then we will look closely at the negative values. So I'm going to start with the system of equations. So that's why let's write our first system of equation. For example, right here we can easily write it. So x minus y equal to 2 and 8. This is our first pair, equal to 2, and x plus y equal to 8. Second system of equations, we have x minus y and x plus y, and the same thing, so equal to, we have 8 and 2. This is our second system of equation, 8 and 2. Okay, the third one, so we have the third system of equations, x minus y equal to 4 and 4. This is our third case, x plus y equal to 4. And fourth case, x plus y equal to 16 and 1, 16, and x minus y equal to, we have 1, 16, 1. And right here I just write this positive as a first equation, so that's why we just need to change these signs to the opposite one. So our fifth system of equations, x minus y equal to 16, yeah, x minus y equal to 16, and x plus y equal to 1. Okay, so these are our all possible cases if we're talking about positive values. So that's why let's solve it real quick. We can easily solve it instantly because this is a very easy system of equations. Okay, so let's start, for example, with the first one. So I write a solution. Our first case, we're going to add all these equations. First of all, we're going to add this one, x minus y equal to 2, x plus y equal to 8. We can easily add it and then we cancel y. So as a result, we have 2x equal to 10, and from here our x is equal to 5. Our x is equal to 5, but in the same way, our y equal to 8 minus x, but y equal to 8 minus x. So we have 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So this is our first pair. We have our pair x equal to 5 and y equal to 3. So x equal to 5, we have first pair 5 and 3. Okay, let's go to the second equation we have right here. Let's add it. So we have the same beginning. We have 2x equal to 10. From here, x is equal to 5. So the same beginning. But in the same way, y equal to, what about this one? Y equal to 2 minus x. Y equal to 2 minus x. That's why we have 2 minus 5 equal to minus 3. And we have second pair. We have 5 and minus 3. Okay, let's solve our third system of equations. We have it right here. So our third one equal to, when we add it, we have 2x equal to 8. Yeah, 2x equal to 8. From here, x is equal to 4. But if we're talking about y equal to 4 minus x. From here, 4 minus x. 4 minus x, and we have 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So we have our third pair, x equal to 4 and y equal to 0. Okay, really great. And our last two pairs, fourth and fifth. So let's solve it real quick. So we have our fourth pair right here, our fourth system of equations, and when we add it, we have 2x equal to 17. So 2x equal to 17. And from here, our x is equal to, our x, when we add it, we have 2x equal to 17. And our x is equal to 8.5. But if we're talking about y, but our y is equal to 16 minus x. Yeah, we have 16 minus x equal to 16 minus 8.5, and our y is equal to 7.5. So we have 8.5 and 7.5. This is our fourth pair, 8.5 and 7.5. And if you're talking about the last case, we have our fifth case right here. We have this system of equation exactly in this place. So 2x equal to 17. Yeah, we have 2x equal to 17. 2x equal to 17, and from here x is equal to 8.5. But if we are talking about y, but y equal to, where do we have this y? Y equal to, we can easily guess it from here or from here, but let's, for example, take it from here. But y equal to 1 minus x. Yeah, we have y equal to 1 minus x. 1 minus x, that's why we have 1 minus 8.5, so we have minus 7.5, and we have our last pair. Here we have our 8.5 and minus 7.5. And let's group everything together. So let's write our final answer to this question. So our answer, let's group everything together, our pairs, x and y. Let's group everything together. So we have from the beginning 5, 3, 5 minus 3. Let's start with these pairs. So we have 5, 3, 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. We have the next one, 4, 0, 4, 0, 8.5, 7.5. And the last one, 8.5 and minus 7.5. And as I said before, we are talking about this branch. But in the same way, we can easily express this 16. Let's split it. We can easily express it as minus 2 times minus 8. We can write it like that without any problems. Minus 8 minus 2. We have minus 4 times minus 4, minus 16 times minus 1, and minus 1 times minus 16. Because exactly in this question, we need to solve it for x and y. So we don't know exactly. Maybe we need to solve the question for all possible values, for real numbers, maybe for integers. It depends on what you need to solve this question for, like for integers, for real numbers. If you're talking about integers, well, we already have few integer solution right here. So we have 3 cases with integer solution. We have 2 cases with the decimal value. So that's why I'm not going to solve this negative part right here. That's why we need to know about this method. So this method looks like that. So we just mirror all these roots. So we have 5, 3. Then if we're talking about negative branch, minus 5 minus 3 is also root. Right here, when we mirror it, we have minus 5 and 3. We have minus 4 and 0. We have minus 8.5 and minus 7.5. And the last one, minus 8.5 and 7.5. We just change all the signs to the opposite one. And if you have problems with it, you can easily check each of these pairs. We have our question x squared minus y squared equal to 16. And why 5, 3 is okay, and because 25 minus 9 equal to 16. In the same way, if we're talking about negative values, minus 5 and minus 3, this pair is also good for us because we're talking about squares, and doesn't matter you have like a negative x. If you raise to the second power, you have a positive one. So that's why negative values are also great for us. And that's why you can easily check, for example, these 6 pairs, you can easily check it like in a few seconds. We have 25 minus 9, 25 minus 9, 25 minus 9, the same 25 minus 9, and 16 minus 0. So if you're talking about positive values, so if you need to solve this question for positive values, you need to write these 5, 3, and 4, 0. If you need to solve the question for integers, you need to write these six parentheses, 6 cases. And if you need to solve this question in general, well, you need to underline this pair as well, because this is also a correct root for our question. So I really hope you understand my thoughts about this question, because exactly in this question we need to solve this question for x and y. We don't know real number, complex integers. In this case we need to solve this question in general, so that's why we just have 10 pairs, 6 integers and 2 if you're talking about real numbers, because in most cases you need to solve this question for integers. Yeah, but it's not bad if you solve this, if you add these 4 pairs. It's really good for you and for your teacher if you write these additional 4 pairs. Yeah, so I really hope you understand my thoughts. If you have a problem with it, if you struggle with this concept, you can also write a question in the comments below, but I really hope you understand it. All you need to do is just instantly just plug in these 6 pairs and you will understand why we're interested both in this pair and in this pair, because we're talking about squares. That's why negative cases are also important for us. Both positives and negatives, negative cases are also great for us. And of course this one, if you need to solve this question completely, you need to write all these 10 pairs. So I really hope you understand my solution. I really hope you understand my thoughts about this question. It's also really interesting to see your response. Maybe there are a lot of teachers here, a lot of students, so that's why write your thoughts. What do you think about this question from your angle? Maybe you have your method, your faster method, your notes. Maybe something went wrong, you need to underline something. Maybe I didn't say something. It's also really great to see your response, to see your feedback. I really appreciate it and thank you for it. So thank you for your time. Have a great day. See you in the next videos and take care of yourself.